Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are taking an important step toward improving your English speaking confidence and building a better future for yourself. This video will help you in many valuable ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and daily English expressions. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will understand how to overcome the fear of speaking English and communicate more naturally and confidently. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a lesson about confidence, courage, self-belief, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to overcome the fear of speaking English. Many people want to speak English fluently. They dream of speaking confidently in school, at work, during interviews, while traveling, or with international friends. But there is one problem that stops many learners. That problem is fear. Some learners are afraid of making mistakes. Some are afraid that others will laugh at them. Others feel shy because their pronunciation is not perfect. Because of this fear, many people stay silent even when they know some English. But here is an important truth. Fear disappears only when you practice with courage. Every fluent English speaker was once nervous and afraid. Nobody starts perfectly. Confidence grows slowly through practice and experience. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I speak with confidence. I am not afraid of mistakes. I improve every day. I believe in myself. Very good. Now let's discuss the first important step. Number 1, accept that mistakes are normal. Many learners think they must speak perfect English from the beginning, but this expectation creates stress and fear. The truth is simple. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers sometimes make mistakes. A child learns to walk by falling many times. In the same way, English learners improve by practicing, making mistakes, and learning from them. If you never speak because of fear, your English cannot grow. Now repeat after me. Mistakes help me learn. I practice without fear. I grow stronger every day. Excellent. Number 2, start speaking with simple sentences. Many learners lose confidence because they try to speak advanced English immediately. But fluency begins with simple communication. Start with short and easy sentences such as, my name is David. I like music. I feel happy today. I want to improve my English. Simple speaking practice builds confidence step by step. Now repeat after me slowly. I start with simple English. I practice every day. My confidence improves slowly. Very good. 3. Practice speaking daily. Confidence does not come from thinking, it comes from action. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable English becomes. You can practice by speaking in front of a mirror, repeating English videos aloud, recording your voice, talking to friends, describing your daily activities in English. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can create huge improvement over time. Now repeat after me. I practice English daily. Consistency creates confidence. I never stop improving. Excellent. 4. Stop comparing yourself with others. One major reason people lose confidence is comparison. Some learners compare themselves with fluent speakers and feel discouraged. But remember this. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Some people learn faster. Others learn more slowly. But slow progress is still progress. Do not focus on how others speak. Focus on becoming better than yesterday. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. I believe in my own journey. I improve step by step. I stay patient and positive. Very good. High five. Train your mind positively. Fear often begins inside the mind. If you constantly think, I cannot speak English, your confidence becomes weaker. But positive self-talk creates courage. Instead of saying, I am bad at English, say, I am learning English every day. Your words influence your mindset. Now repeat after me confidently. I can learn English. I become more confident every day. My fear becomes smaller. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young student who understood English very well but was afraid to speak. Whenever the teacher asked a question in English, he stayed silent. He worried that other students would laugh at his pronunciation or grammar mistakes. One day, his teacher gave him simple advice. The teacher said, "You cannot become confident by staying silent. Confidence grows when you speak, even imperfectly." Those words changed the student's mindset. From that day, he started practicing a little every day. He repeated English sentences aloud. He spoke in front of a mirror. He listened carefully to English videos. And most importantly, he stopped being ashamed of mistakes. At first, he still felt nervous, but slowly his fear became smaller. Month after month, his confidence improved. 1 year later, he could speak English naturally and confidently in front of many people. Why did he succeed? Not because he was perfect, but because he continued practicing despite fear. This story teaches us an important truth. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is continuing despite fear. Now think about your own English journey. Are you waiting too long before speaking? Are you afraid of mistakes? Remember this. Every time you practice speaking, your fear becomes weaker and your confidence becomes stronger. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly and confidently. I speak with courage. I learn from mistakes. I improve every day. I will become fluent. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. Learning English is not a race. Some learners improve quickly, others improve slowly. But what matters most is consistency. If you continue practicing every day, your English and confidence will definitely improve. Now repeat after me one final time. I stay confident. I continue practicing. I never give up. I become fluent step by step. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. The fear of speaking English disappears when you stop worrying about perfection and start practicing with confidence. So continue speaking, continue learning, and never stop believing in yourself. One day, you will speak English proudly and confidently. Keep learning English, keep building confidence, and keep moving forward toward your dreams. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.